So welcome everyone. If you want to sell your dog, for people that don't know how to sell their dog, it's just a simple way. You open your Bybit, open your Bybit. Just go to spot, click on dog. You search for a dogs. Allow it to load. Network might not be good like that. Just dogs. You can see it now. Click on it. For people that want to convert to USD, that you don't know how to convert to USD, just click on it. So if you want to sell immediately, this is the simplest way to do it. Because there is too much traffic on all the app currently now, so it might be giving you problem. Can this network or system connecting be giving you problem? So you just have to wait, calm down. So if you want to sell, just change this limit, change this limit, change this limit to market. And you are selling at the current price. So the amount of dog you have, just let it load. So if you want to sell it now, so this is it. Once you change it to limit, you change from this limit, you change it to market at the current price. Enter the amount of dog you have. So if you want to sell, so amount of dog you have, you change to sell 38,080. Just enter it here and just click on sell dogs. So that means you're getting $47. Just click on sell dogs. I want to sell. That's all. That is the place where now you can sell your dog.